Welcome to Russian with Dasha, my first ever Skype lesson. I want to teach Russian to those who are interested in this beautiful language. I want to teach how to speak, how to read, and maybe how to write in Russian. Russian is one of the Eastern Slavonic languages closely related to Ukrainian and Belarusian. And we have about 277 million speakers in Russia and in 30 other countries. Russian alphabet has 33 letters, 10 vowels and 21 consonants. And also we have 2 signs. Today we will learn how to read and how to say Russian alphabet, and I hope you enjoy my lesson. When I taught in Thailand, I asked my students why do they want to learn Russian, and some of them said that Russian sounds weird. Okay, we'll see, maybe you think that it also sounds weird. So let's look at the letters. Some of the letters look like letters from the English alphabet, but they don't sound the same. So I will read all the letters and then tell you how it's easier to memorize them, each of them. Okay, let's start. A. A sounds like A in far, so it's A. B, like box, B. V. V is V sounds like V in voice, but it's more like V. Maybe you heard some Russian speakers speaking like voice, so that's how we say V. G, like G in go or Google, G. D, they, de. Ye, yet, ye. Then it looks very like ye, but it sounds yo, like in the word your. Then this very funny letter, it sounds like S in the word pleasure. Je. Then look here. Z. E. Maybe you heard some Russian speakers saying, let's meet somewhere. It's hard for us to say meet properly, as you can see. So E sounds like double E when you talk to a Russian speaker. Meet. Meet. So it sounds E. This letter is called short I and sounds like Y, like in the word boy. If you hear Russian saying boy, you will hear boy, Y. Then K, L, M, N, very similar to English alphabet. O, like in not or hot, or. Next, here we have P, like in the word pet, P. Next, it's maybe it might be difficult at first to say properly because in English there is no similar sound, but in Russian it sounds R, like rock. You say rock, we say rock. S, like in sound or sun, D. U, it doesn't sound like Y, it's U. Then F, H. Next, this one sounds like C, like in the word boots, teach in short. Next. This one sounds like very soft. Sha. Sha. So, sha, sha. Then these two small sounds, small letters, they don't have sounds. This one is called a hard sign, and this one is a soft sign. We use them to make Russian language more beautiful, to have more words. We don't have any words starting with a soft sign, a hard sign, and these small letters. So I wrote them in small letters, not in capital letters. So this one is a hard sign. This one is U. Very hard to say at first, but then when you keep practicing, you will make it sound perfectly. So it sounds U. It sounds like you want to vomit or you want to, I don't know, you don't like something, you like but it's not it's U. Make your mouth wider, U. It comes from here. Then a soft sign again. Then like in end, U, like in use, and ya, like in yard. We also say I like ice cream, for example. Я люблю мороженое. Я means I. Okay, let's look at the letters once again. A, B, В, Г, Д, Е, Ё, Ж, Z, I. This one sounds like Y, but the letter is called I краткое, means short I. I краткое, K, K, L, M, N, O, then P, R, S, T, U, F, H, C, Ч, Ш, Ща, hard sign, твердый знак, Ü, then soft sign, мягкий знак, U, Я. So here is the Russian alphabet. I hope you enjoyed, and please watch more videos to learn how to read Russian. Thank you. Bye.